They are all yearning about treats. I have no treats. I can't even feed myself properly these days. Because she's been there. Actually, like here, being a bird snake. Because my teeth is killing me, guys. And yeah, I went to the specialist dentist. Yeah, but turns out the perodoncia doctor, she's not there. And of course, I didn't know. I mean, there's schedule, but she's not there. I thought if the schedule open, the doctor should be there, but it's not like that. Yeah. So what can you do? There's nothing I can do. The cheapest in what is it? Health insurance. That's what you get. Doctor's not even there. Baby, a baby. Home is not a really good place right now. I don't really want to be home, but then again, I cannot go out anywhere. Where's your sister? You have twins. Oh, this one. What should I name you? What? Betty in pain. But there's food, yeah, little. Guess people also don't have food. Oh. Hey, don't attack me.